Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Preston Tinsong. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President NPP, Sir Snyao Phalanghar, to felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. The next person to felicitate will be the President of National People's Youth Front, Sir Wailat Miki Shilla. He is also the Minister. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to make. And as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi J&K region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha